Hi, Math 43. We've had some questions on number 4. An insurance company sells policies to 20 men, all of whom are the same age, and in good health. Actuarial tables, so actuaries are people who kind of keep track of insurance and stuff, so they believe that the man of this age will still be alive in 25 years, has an 80% chance, or 0.80. So success here would be still being alive in 25 years. N would be the number of trials, so in that case it would be 20, because there's 20 men. P is the probability of being alive, so 0.80, and then Q is just 1 minus P, or 0.20. So this is binomial, right? Alive or not alive? So for part C, probability that all 20 men will be alive in 25 years. The 25 years is irrelevant to math, it's just part of the success. So P of 20, we're going to use that binomial formula and choose X, which would be 20, choose 20 here. P to the X, sorry. So 0.80 to the 20 for 20 to be alive, and then Q to the N minus X, which means 0.20 to the 0. So this just tells us 20 alive, 0 not alive. And then let's see. So we'll do 20 math and CR 20. Remember, some of the calculators look a little different. 0.80 to the 20, and then you technically don't have to do to the 0 because it's always 1, but if you do it, it doesn't make a difference. And we should get about 0.0115. Cool. Let's try D, and then I'll start E. So greater than 18 just means 19 or 20. So we just have to do the formula twice. We already did it for 20 though, so that saves us a little bit of trouble. So for 19, we'll do 20, choose 19, 0.80 to the 19. The P and Q need to be decimals. If you did whole numbers, you're realizing you have a lot of mistakes. So 19 alive means there's 1 left over who's not alive. So unfortunately, 1 died. And then we could do 20 again, but we just found it at 0.0115. All right, so we can do second enter since we already did this. Just change the powers, and it'll be 20 choose 19, and we get 0.0576, and then we'll add that to the 0115 because greater than 18 means 19 or 20. So 0576 plus 0115, and we get about a 0.0691 chance that more than 18 are still alive. And then E, I'll just get you started. It means less than 17 alive, still alive. So for this one, less than 17 means 0 through 16. So that's going to take a long time, right? We'd have to do the formula 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 16. So this is where maybe the opposite is easier. So for this example, I would do 1 minus 17, 18, 19, or 20. So you'll have to do the formula 2 more times. 19 and 20 we already found above, so we have to do the formula 2 more times, and then do 1 minus all those numbers. So I think that should answer most of the questions. Standard deviation and mean were just formulas. And then expected range we've done so many times, so hopefully we got that one, but let me know if not. But I think the hardest part was figuring out the formula. And then when you get to the Steph Curry example, it's all the same stuff, right? This will be a binomial formula. Binomial, right, at least 5 means 5 or more. So hopefully this helps. The binomial formula is a little intimidating, but I think as we use it over and over, it gets less.